Disney Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Mickey's Halloween treat. Lift the flap fun.
Oh boy! Doesn't everyone look swell?
What's Minnie dressed up as? A witch, that's right. And Daisy is Little Bo Peep. What's Donald dressed up as? A cowboy, that's right. Goofy's a knight and Pluto's a bee.
And I'm a magician! Ta-da! But why do you think we're all wearing costumes? Where could we be going? Look in the mailbox to see where we've been invited.
To a Halloween party. It's at Pete's Trick-or-Treat Tower. Want to come along? It's a party at Pete's Trick-or-Treat Tower. It's just past Candy Corn Mountain. We need to get there before the moon is full. When the moon gets full, the gates of the tower will lock. Then we won't be able to get in. Can you tell me how full the moon is now? Is it 1/4 full? Is it half full? Is it 3/4 full? Lift the flap to find out. It's only 1/4 full. Good job. We still have time to get there. Look, it's Toodles.
Hi, Toodles.
Toodles has got our Mouseketools. They will help us get to Pete's Trick-or-Treat Tower. You can help us too. What tools do you see? A jack-o'-lantern, you betcha. A garbage can lid, a carrot, that's right. And the mystery Mouseketool. That's a surprise tool that can help us later. We're just about ready to go, but Goofy's costume needs one more thing, a shield. Which one of the Mouseketools can Goofy use? Lift the flap to see. Goofy can use the garbage can lid as a shield. We've got ears, say cheers. We made it over Candy Corn Mountain, thanks to some fancy rope work by Cowboy Donald. Thanks, partner. Look at the moon. How full is it now? It's half full, that's right. But we still have to go through the woods, and it sure is foggy.
Oh, Toodles!
What does Toodles have that can help us see through the fog? Is it the jack-o'-lantern, the carrot, or the mystery Mouseketool? Lift the flap to see. It's the jack-o'-lantern. We've got ears, say cheers. We've made it to Pete's Trick-or-Treat Tower. Look at the moon. It's 3/4 full now. Uh-oh, Goofy has dropped his shield. Which one of our Mouseketools can help us get it back? A carrot? Nope. That means it's time for the mystery Mouseketool. Can you say mystery Mouseketool? To find out what the mystery Mouseketool is, look under the shield. It's a magnet. We can get Goofy's shield with the magnet. We worked together to get back Goofy's shield. We used the magnet and Donald's rope, and we all pulled.
But now Pete says that for us to get into his party, I have to do a trick. He wants me to pull a rabbit out of my hat. But I don't have a rabbit. This sounds like a job for a Mouseketool. All we have left is a carrot. Do you think a carrot can help us get a rabbit to come out of my hat? Abracabunny, lift my hat to see.
Super cheers! It worked!
I pulled a rabbit out of my hat. Now we can go to Pete's party.
But Pete isn't ready yet. He didn't think anyone would come to his party, so he didn't get himself a costume. I've got an idea. We can all give Pete a piece of our costumes. How do you think that will look? Lift the flap to see. Hurry, because the moon is full now. Pete looks great. Let's go to the party. Gee, we had a great time at Pete's Halloween party once you helped us get there. Remember what we did? First, we used a garbage can lid for Goofy's shield. Then we used a jack-o'-lantern to light our way through the foggy forest. Then we used a magnet to get Goofy's shield back.
Then we used a carrot to pull a rabbit out of my hat. What a hot dog day! Happy Halloween! Let's do the Mouseketools!
Thanks for watching. The end.